So we're heading down to the New Forest for the weekend. We've going to go and book a campsite, head down there, see what's going about. Nice weekend for it. Let's get it done. And here he comes.
Me and Danny boy out there.
Where?
In the New Forest. I don't know why I'm talking like I'm talking to people because I have no subscribers.
Yeah, but you're coming out on my mic, so
oh, there you go then.
you're talking to my viewers too.
Yeah.
And I have at least
viewers?
3.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Well, we're two of those. Oh, where are we going? Emery Down.
Let's get to a cafe.
Yeah, let's go and get some breakfast like we've been trying to do for the past hour and a half.
Longer than that, innit? I'm starving, Marvin.
I love these roads.
Yeah, these are great roads. The joy of the New Foresty.
Yeah.
40 mile an hour though, which is a bit annoying, but fuck it. I'm glad we come down now as well, because when we were going to come down 2-3 weeks ago, there was still no leaves on the trees and that. It was still winter looking.
Yeah, no, you're right.
But over the last 3 weeks, it's just bloomed, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's the whole thing's just filled out.
And I'd much rather that.
And all the pollen in the air.
Yeah, it just feels more summery than it would have done 3 weeks ago.
Wow, that's pretty fun. Right, we're in Emery Down.
Emery Down, baby.
Yeah, and plus it's a lovely day.
Oh,
3 weeks ago I was pissing it out.
Yeah, well, there's the main benefit of waiting.
Yeah. Hey, Dan, what's this?
Oh. Please do breakfast, please do breakfast.
Please be open.
Please be open too. It doesn't look open.
Doesn't.
There are lights on.
Freshly homemade foods all day, every day.
All day, every day.
Every day.
And there's a garden. We could park it round the back so we could sit in the garden.
Oh, bed and breakfast is available.
Oh, so they do breakfast, that's cool.
The breakfast, 4 cozy.
Should we check it out?
Yeah.
I think it'd be rude fucking not to.
Would, wouldn't it? Right, the last time I filmed coming along here was on the Honda Rodeo 125.
Oh.
Oh.
That was quite some years ago, Daniel.
It was quite some years ago.
Daniel.
And it was, yeah, that was.
There's some horses. There's always hikers, isn't there? Like groups of hikers.
On your own side, mate. Yeah, there is. I don't know where they're going. Well, forest. Oh, it's been smacked in the head by a big old bug.
Oh, bug in the head, bug in the head.
Yeah. What's going on here?
Cyclist, my fucking god.
I thought that was a tandem.
Yeah, just up each other's arse. Follow me, okay. There's no need to complicate.
Wow!
Oh shit!
Jesus Christ!
Oh, I overshot that big time!
You're on the wrong side of
I weren't expecting such a turn.
It wasn't the steepness of the corner, it was the roughage of the road.
Road, yeah.
It makes you jag along, it's either that or admin. The steepness of the corner.
Luckily no oncoming cars.
Yeah. I'm going to get a picture of this. Because that's what I do.
You rebel. So, we have arrived. We're on the motorbike field.
or the hiking field, I think they call it, at Round Hill. There's a few others already here, gone out on their bikes. There's somebody, there's another tent in the bushes there as well, beyond that tent. They look like they're set up for the night to have a few drinky poos, so we'll be down with that. We'll join them later on. So we're just going to get set up now. Dan's getting changed, quick! Dan's got his trousers down.
It's too hot.
It is hot, it's lovely, beautiful.
You need to take them off.
So we're going to get the old tent set up then. This is where we're going to be for the night. Not a bad location, not bad weather. The tents are up. We're going to put all our stuff away and head out on the bikes. There we go, look, wild New Forest ponies.
We want to
in the New Forest, no doubt.
Make sure they don't eat our tents.
Yeah. The bike's just cut out. There's some cows over there.
What are they called? A foal? Is a baby horse a foal? Oh,
Yeah, I think so.
Is it?
Yeah, I think you could be right. A couple of wild cows, fat cows. They ain't going to touch tents, they're so used to
No.
it.
Yeah, they're going to go over to the other person's table and mash through it.
Eat their food.
Yeah.
Right, let's go. You need to
Oh,
get
they're
in
running.
front.
They're running around.
You need to get in front here.
Why?
Because you're sat-nav.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that breeze is lovely.
Yeah.
Absolutely lovely. It is so hot today. Oh.
Couldn't have picked a better weekend.
Oh.
Better get on this side of the road.
Yeah. Oh, it feels better not being fully loaded.
Yeah. Hey, out of the way, you fat cow.
They just don't care, do they? They just like...
Well, yeah, you're going to move out of the way, aren't you? Not every day you see that, is it?
Nah.
They're utterly ridiculous.
Utterly ridiculous. Do you want to go pop in here?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind a
Yeah?
gander.
Yeah.
Definitely
gravelly.
want to bring the kids here.
It's a bit gravelly, isn't it?
Yeah. Not a bad little spot, is it? Perfect in the sun. Look at this for a road. A good old run out. Trees to the left of me, bushes to the right. Here I am,
Yeah,
stuck
I'm stuck
in the
in the
forest
middle
with you.
Oh, fucked up.
Yeah,
for
you did.
We're coming up some bendies, Dan.
Bendies.
Bendies. Look at this. So you've been down here?
Not this bit, I'm not recognising now. This is too narrow, I don't remember this.
This is crazy, look.
But you can see why this would be the place to pull over to stroke a horse.
Yeah.
Look at that old dirt road, it's like an Australian dirt road.
Wow.
Look at the road in the distance.
Yeah. That is amazing. That is absolutely awesome.
Today is the day of Harry and Meghan's wedding. And we just pulled over at a church, and even they're celebrating it. Everywhere seems to be celebrating this wedding today.
Oh, that looks nice.
It's just lovely.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Yourself?
Yeah, I'm fine, yeah. Got a wedding day quiz, might not be quite your thing, but there's plenty of things outside.
Yeah, just having a sort of look about, seeing what's going on.
Yeah.
Is someone in that coffin up there? Is that a
No
coffin?
coffin.
No, isn't it?
No, that's the communion table.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yes, I see what you mean by the white drape.
Yeah, it looks
but
like a.
No, we haven't got a coffin there today.
Oh, okay.
So where are you from?
Brockenhurst, just up the road there.
Oh, I see, you're local.
Oh yeah. We're just coming to see because the wedding's on or something today. Wedding?
Well, there's been a wedding, a royal
Oh,
wedding.
is it finished?
Yeah, it
Oh, we
was
missed it.
at 12, so it's all over.
Oh right.
Anyway, enjoy yourself.
Okay, thank you. Got the tunes on. Got the Barbies going. Got the beers flowing. Cool stuff. So yeah, we're all set up for the night. It's about 5:30. The sun is still high in the sky. I can't find it. There it is. So, let's get the burgers on.
Got 8 fat sausages sizzling on the crate. This is our utensils. This is all we've got.
There's our setup. There's 2 fat cows. Go on, Dan. Oh, he shit himself. This cow over here just attacked us. I'll zoom in rather than walking up to him. He just ran for us. And this one here shit himself.
You farted and he ran at us.
So we're going to milk the fucker in a minute. As the sunlight begins to fade, tell us something.
I'm using the charcoal from the barbecue to stay warm. Because it's getting cold. Is it though?
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Oh, we're in low light now. That is low light. Say good night, Dan.
Good night, Dan.
We're going to head to bed in a bit.
Yeah.
It's getting a bit... I can barely see you, it's too dark. It's not actually that dark, but I can barely see you.
Really? Can you see the moon?
There you go.
Can you zoom into the moon?
Yeah.
See, I can trace it again.